Alright guys, Josie in Orlando. I figure I'll do a different type of video, at least close up here on the cards. I'm gonna show you the cards here. We're gonna go through these cards for video number 3 of unboxing baseball cards. And then if there's anything, I'll split them up here. If there's anything good, then again you guys can let me know down below and let me know. But I figure this will be a little faster. So I'm gonna go like this, and let's see, I'm trying to get it where it's not in the glare there. At least this way you can see the names and stuff. And then if I see any that come up with a gold back, because these are the ones that have, these are Leaf cards from 1991, Leaf cards series 2, and they're in brand new condition. So yeah, go like this. And if I see any with a gold backing, then we already know that if it's got a gold backing, it's a rookie card. But I figured this was faster and easier to go through the cards. If you guys see any that are good, then you can let me know. And flipping them like this, then the videos can be a little shorter instead of being 20 minutes. Oh, here we got a couple more puzzles. So these are the puzzle cards that kept coming up. That looks like somebody's, the back of somebody, number 3. And it says this is 19, 20, and 21 of Harmon Killebrew. So this is going to make up Harmon Killebrew, and you can tell that's his back jersey there, number 3. There's his neck. This one says 22-year career. Is this the same guy? Yep, same one. So there's another puzzle piece for him. And this one, let's see, the same guy or someone else? Nope, same guy. So now we've got 3 puzzle pieces for this one player. We've got 19, 20, 21, and 43, 45, 55, 56, 57. So we'll kind of hold those off to the side there. And let's see what else we can get into here. Alright. Cubby, Danny Jackson. Alright. There's a Dodger, John Hayes, Curtis Wilkinson. I did look up some cards yesterday, and a few of them were selling for 99 cents with $3.25 shipping. So I ordered some sleeves for these, and they should be coming in on Monday. But they were soft sleeves, so I'm still trying to find the hard sleeves for any good ones that might be worth checking out. So we'll see if I can find a good place to get those from. I'm not sure what a good price for them for the hard sleeve is, but alright, what's this one? Andujar Sedona. This one's different from the other ones. It's green instead of silver, so yep, that's a rookie card. There's a rookie card for, it says gold rookies right there. So rookie cards usually might go for an extra $1 or $2 depending on the player. So we got another rookie off of this one, which is good. We seem to be getting rookie cards off of every bunch that we get into. Oh, there's Darryl Strawberry. I think we had this one before, so I'll put him on the side. There's the rookie Heath, and I believe we had him in the other one as well. There are doubles in here, maybe even triples and 4 of the same cards, but that happens even if you buy the cards in general, so that's expected. Alright, there goes another gold piece, another puzzle piece from the same guy. So now we've got a strawberry. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 puzzle pieces. All right. There we go. I got a checklist. Very balanced checklist, and we had this one in the last bunch, so this is a duplicate, which is fine. Alright. Mickey Morandino. What is that, Mikey? Ken Hill. Mark Leonard. Mackie Sessa. Then Pletsky. Van Hayes. Alright. So there we go. Yeah, that was a lot faster. So I think that's what I'll do. I'll do mini videos like this and do setups like this for video number 3. And we went through a good pile of cards pretty fast, within 5 minutes. And we ended up with 4 more puzzle pieces, which is good. We ended up with 1 rookie card with Mr. Cedeno. And then just Darryl Strawberry. And I did look this one up. This one sold for like 99 cents with $3.25 shipping. So I mean, that's a $4 card and it cost me 25 cents or 29 cents, something like that. So I'll take that. But that's what we have for this video here. Just a quick video, trying to keep them under 10 minutes to show you the trading cards that we have gotten so far. So this is video number 3. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscriber button and hit the bell icon so you can see when we come up with new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Let's see what else we can find. And remember, you can't sell on eBay if you don't list. So get out there and list as much as you can. See you in the next video.